Hey there, everybody. This is Troy from Make Sales Faster, and today I wanted to show you a review on a product called Auto-Vid Sites. So auto means it automatically creates a site for you. The site contains video. The video is a way that you attract traffic to it. And so I'm going to explain to you, give you an honest review about this product, let you know where it's good, where it has some drawbacks, because it does have some drawbacks, but it is a good product. A good product that's focused on helping someone who is doing some affiliate marketing. Now, if you know what affiliate marketing is, you can just ignore what I'm going to say in the next few moments. If you are unfamiliar, I got you covered. So what I'm going to do is going to explain the site, but I'm going to show you my bonuses first, because what this product does is gives you the ability to have a website and to have videos and then sell products, affiliate products. So sell someone else's products. Well, it doesn't really tell you how to sell affiliate products. That's a big missing of this. So I want to show you my bonuses. Now, how to get this whole package I'm going to explain is in the description of this YouTube video. There's a link. And right in the description, it says bonus create and some code. You can just click on that and you'll go to this page you're seeing right now. To buy the product, you click on any of these yellow and orange and red buttons, and it'll take you through to the product page, right? And you'll be able to buy it from there. But if you just go to the product page, you won't get my bonuses, and that'll be a big missing for you. Now, just to let you know how much this product costs, it's $16.99. And that's where you get the basic, and it gives you some features you're able to get going. You could probably have 2 or 3 products, and then there's an option if you wanted to pay a little more if you wanted unlimited products. Maybe something, if you're serious about this, you might want to look at. If you're just checking things out, exploring, is this right for me? Maybe you want the basic first. But anyway, I'll talk to you about those upsells in a moment. Watch this video. It's a good one. It'll help you understand more about the product. But here's the bonuses. So bonus number 1, and this makes this work. This bonus 1 is an A to Z case study in how to sell a professional affiliate marketing campaign. You're going to want to know about that. So you're going to want this bonus to do what it's talking about. Now, it'll give you the basics, but this will give you a more complete step-by-step plan on how to be an effective affiliate marketer, and you'll be able to use that information with this product. So without this product is a little bit empty, and it's only $16.99, and this comes free, right? Normally it'd be $427 for this course. Bonus 2 is called the Lazy Profit Explosion. This is how to maximize a YouTube site, and you're going to probably want to match YouTube with this, even though it says videos in it. Having a YouTube site, this will show you how to do that, how to get even more traffic. That means eyeballs to your offer. Bonus 3 is called 5-Figure Freedom, and it's how to use solo ads. Solo ads are a list that's already created that you just buy the list and you send people to your site. Now, you don't need it to do this, but if you have it, you're just multiplying the sales you're going to make, right? So this is normally $344, comes free with this. Bonus 4 is called the $10,000 storytelling formula. So you're going to want to, if you're going to want to make $10,000 or more a month, you're going to want to become a great storyteller. And so this bonus is talks about how do you do that? How do you do it in marketing? So you're going to want to get that. So when you hit any of these yellow and red bonuses, when you get to that page from the link in the description of this video you're watching, click here. When you purchase, you're going to see this receipt called from Warrior Plus. The green button is how to get the Auto-Vid Sites product. The blue button is how to get all my bonuses. So that's where you'll find it when time comes to get all your bonuses and get started. All right. So what's in this, right? Let's talk about this product. It's Auto-Vid Sites. It's basically... It comes with a WordPress plugin. WordPress is most websites we look at are on WordPress. This comes with that. It's fully monetized on Autopilot, meaning the traffic you need is going to come to you on Autopilot based on the video system that's built into this. It's mobile responsive, and it's WordPress based. So WordPress is really easy to work with if you need to change your website in any way. Mobile responsive means it's going to look great on a phone, right? It's going to look great on somebody's phone when they're looking. And most people today are using their phones more than they're using computers, right? You're going to get unique videos and articles and opt-in forms. Opt-in forms are ways that you capture people's email address. So even if they don't buy the product you're currently selling, they could buy another one later if it's something that's relevant to them, right? It's search engine optimized, and the passive traffic is built in. So yeah, you can send traffic to it, but there's also going to be some passive traffic from people doing Google searches and Bing searches, and we know how important those are, right? This is the perfect money making system for beginners. So for $16.99, that's right here, you can get in on this and start making money. Now, if you want the upsell number one, this gives you more features. And if you're getting serious about this, you probably want to sell more than 3 products, right? So $37 to get the upsell, and you'll get more, you'll have an unlimited version, right? Now, if you want someone to do the setup of this for you, it's $197. And if you don't want to go through the tutorials that they recommend and just have it done for you, and if you have the extra money, get this done. I think you should probably learn how to do it yourself. But heck, if you want to do that later, this is an option. You could get started probably going within a few days, right? You'd be fully in a position to be making money. Now, if you want reseller rights, it's only $67. Now, you may say, what would I want reseller rights for? Well, this could be a product you sell yourself, right? You could go sell this whole package, or you could go to people that need a website or a better website, one that has video on it, which a lot don't. A lot are pretty boring, basic websites that aren't effective. You could resell this whole product to someone. And heck, if you, a little creativity here, if you wanted to buy this, you could resell this. Let's say you charge someone $600 or $700 to do their website. Well, once you've got this, you could have someone else do the work for you for $197. You can make the profit, right? So you could go on Fiverr, you could go on Upwork, for example. And there's lots of others, and you could offer to do websites for people, and you would have this great ability to do that. So that's just another way. Otherwise, just own this for yourself, right? If you don't want to resell it, just own it for yourself. The $16.99 gets you in the game. $37, you're fully got a product that's going to be selling for you. So that's the benefits of this. You got to get my bonuses though. If you want to really master how to do affiliate marketing, if you want to master getting YouTube, which will be like really making YouTube work for you, all of that's going to come from this whole package. I will encourage you to go, after you click through this bonus site, you'll see their main site. This isn't even launched yet, so you're going to see a slightly different version of this website, but this is where you'll be able to buy it. You'll hit those buttons there. Read through it. If it is something that appeals to you, if it's something that seems interesting, remember, you can buy it. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're getting, oh my gosh, this isn't what I thought I was getting, you can always get your money back. So I don't think you'll want to. Just the bonuses alone here are going to be worth this investment for you. So that's my best advice on this one. Hope you see a bigger picture, a broader picture of what's possible here. But this could... this product alone, I would say conservatively, if you got this, you started the affiliate marketing course, within 10 days, you'd be making money. Within a month, you'd probably be doing conservatively a couple hundred a month, and you could just scale it up from there. And if you're creative and ambitious, you could do more than that. So you could have this cooking out for you thousands of dollars a month. It's very possible. So all the best. Hope my review is helpful. At Make Sales Faster, we want to help you to make sales, and we want to help you to make sales faster. That's our whole goal. So come back and watch other videos. Thanks.